We'll start with a regular plastic bottle. Carefully make several small holes in the cap. Don't remove it from the bottle while doing this. The holes should be evenly spaced. Once the holes are done, unscrew the cap from the bottle and set it aside. Now take a thick sponge, the type you'd use for scrubbing. Use scissors to cut a small square piece, about 1 inch by 1 inch. Next, place the piece of sponge right in the center of the bottle cap. Now grab a latex balloon. Cut off the wide, rounded part of the balloon. Stretch the neck of the balloon carefully with your hands and anchor it over the plastic bottle cap. Now it's time to attach this to your faucet. Think about how many times you've struggled with faucets that spray water in one fixed direction. Washing dishes, filling bottles, or even rinsing something small can be so inconvenient. This simple DIY turns your faucet into a flexible, adjustable sprayer. The balloon lets you control the direction with ease, while the sponge acts as a filter to catch impurities in the water. Perfect for washing vegetables, cleaning hard-to-reach items, or even giving your pet a gentle rinse.